So in this video, we are going to understand about combination of error while doing multiplication. So we have done addition, we have done subtraction, and now multiplication. So for the multiplication part, I am taking same quantities again. That is, A is equal to A plus minus delta A, B is equal to B plus minus delta B, and let X is equal to A multiplied by B. To understand this, we have taken a quantity X, which is multiplication of A and B. Now just put the values. We know X would be, the value of X would be X plus minus delta X So I've put the value of X and A and B. Now we have to just multiply it as per operation. So A into B would be B. I will just multiply all the components that are present there. So I've multiplied this A into B, AB, A into delta B plus minus A delta B, delta A into B plus minus B delta A, and last plus minus delta A delta B. Now in this equation, what you have to do, you have to neglect this part, delta A and delta B. Why? Because when two small quantities multiply, the result is a much more smaller quantity. For example, if I multiply 0.2 multiplied by 0.3, answer would be 0.06. So the answer is much lesser than these individual numbers. So when two smaller number multiply, so we get a more smaller number. So that's why delta A and delta B are very small. So we can neglect multiplication of delta A and delta B. Now you have to compare. When you compare this, what you get? You get the value of X is equal to A, B. So this is the value you get on comparing. So X is equal to AB. And now if you compare, plus minus delta X would be equal to plus minus A delta B plus minus B delta A. So the value of plus minus delta X is plus minus B delta A plus minus A delta B. So we have find the real part, that is X is equal to A into B. So find the real part of X, we just have to multiply the true parts of both the quantities. Now to find error, the formula is coming this, but you have to, there is one more step that you have to take here, that is dividing this whole equation by X. So you have to divide this whole equation by X. Divide this whole equation by the value of X. Now what is the value of X? If you see, the value of X is AB. If you put AB here, B and B cancel, you're left with A. If you put AB here, A and A cancel and B is left here. So what you get? You get the formula, that is, so the value comes delta X by X is equal to plus minus delta A by A plus minus delta B by B. Now as errors are taken as maximum, as I told you, there are four options again, both taken as positive, both as negative, one positive, one negative, and the same as it was discussed in last video. So for calculating the error, what we have to do, we have to take the maximum value, that is when both are added. So plus delta A by A and plus delta B by B. This is the formula while doing multiplication to calculate errors. Now how will you calculate errors? Let us suppose instead of this there are values. So you have to find X. X is, the real part is A into B. You multiply this and this, you get the real part. Suppose it is 3, it is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. Now you put the value of 6 over here. 6 delta X, you have to find it out. You have to find the value of delta X. You put 6 over here. Delta A would be given to you. A is given to you. Delta B is again given to you. And B is again given to you. So you have all these quantities. So you just have to solve for delta X. So when you find value of delta X, your answer can be given in terms of X plus minus delta X. Suppose you get value of delta X as 0.05. So the answer would be 6 plus minus 0.05. So this is the way how you are going to combine errors while doing multiplication.